Quick tip for all my Wi-Fi Pineapple pager users that use Windows. This comes courtesy of none other than Mubix, as I'm on a live stream and the legend himself pointed out this amazing tip for Windows, and that quite frankly is SSHFS-Win. You can grab it at this GitHub location here. Essentially what this is going to do is allow you to have a nice integration of SSHFS in Windows Explorer, and installing it couldn't be easier. You copy this command right here, this winget, you toss that in PowerShell, you get a little UAC prompt, accept the installer, you're good to go. Once that is installed, you literally open My Computer, as it were, and you hit ... and connect to, or add a network location. From this wizard, you enter in this address here, which is //SSHFS/ root at 172.16.52.1 /. You go next, you give it a name. I called it pager. You go next, you got the option to automatically open that, and I've done that here, and you'll notice that right here in my Windows Explorer, I now can open this, and would you look at that? I've got my handshakes, I got my loot, I've got my ringtones, I've got a theme that I'm working on here, and it couldn't be easier. So that tip right there is courtesy of none other than Mubix. And thank you, man, I appreciate it. Love to hear what you guys' thoughts. Leave them below. Trust your Technolist.